Hey, what's up? This is Rob from Panther. Today we're checking out how to make this star in Illustrator. Also, if you want to learn how to make all these videos here in these examples and push your skills to the next level, I launched my Patreon page where I uploaded a bunch of these advanced tutorials. If you want to check them out, you can click the link in the description and access Patreon premium content, where you can access a bunch of high quality images and tutorials. Step 1, select the star. Press and hold Shift plus Alt. Now don't release the mouse. And from here, press the upper arrow to add another spike. Press and hold Shift. There you go. Select the direct selection tool and drag one of these little circles. We're gonna swap it from fill to stroke. Click on the stroke. We're gonna click on gradient. And you can also copy paste these values if you want. I'm gonna double click on this and also change it to blue. I'm gonna increase the stroke thickness. 8, something like that, and go to effects, distort and transform. Create a lot of copies and decrease the horizontal and the vertical. For me is 92 by 92 and rotate the angle. I'm gonna go with 3.5. There it is. Click OK. Press Ctrl C and then Ctrl F. Decrease the weight. Go to the gradients and swap it with the reverse gradient. And you can achieve this reverse gradient effect. And mainly this was it. Thanks for watching.